Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another product review. This comes from Amazon, and I am just in awe of this. Okay, so this comes from a company called, and I hope I am pronouncing this correct, YISHAN, YISHAN. Okay, now Jarvis is the one that I talked to, and he sent this to me for review. Now, I am in a different location because this thing is just way too big to put on my desk. So before I get into this, though, I do hope that everyone is having a great week. It's almost Christmas, and I just hope that everybody is doing well, and I just want to say that I appreciate each and every one of you. So, again, Jarvis has sent this to me from the YISHAN, YISHAN store off of Amazon. And I will leave the link in my description box so that y'all can check this out, because this is absolutely stunning. Okay, so a lot of y'all are probably thinking, well, what in the world is she showing? Well, this is called a wooden jigsaw puzzle board. Okay, this will hold a 1,500 piece jigsaw board. Now, this is the top, and it is made out of like plastic cardboard, I guess. Or what is that called? I don't know what that's called. Corrugated plastic, but it's like a cardboard, but it's not. It's plastic. But what this is the cover. Okay, to where you can put this down over your jigsaw puzzle so that, you don't get any dust or dirt over the top of it when you're not working on it. So, now in the camera, this looks like a dark blue, but it's actually green, and it honestly looks like and feels like the top of a pool table. Okay, that green felt that they put on top of a pool table, that's what it feels like and looks like. All right, so I'm going to read y'all what I have, and then we're going to start looking at this. So this will hold a 1,500 piece puzzle or smaller. It's got 4 drawers and the cover, which is that plastic piece I just showed you. All right, it is adjustable to where it's kind of like a draft board type thing, which I'll show you here in a second. It does have a handle on it so that you can pick this up and carry it. It has 3 adjustable angles that you can adjust the top of the table, which is, well, actually, I guess you could say 4 because it's flat. Or you can adjust it to an 18 degree, 26 degree, or 35 degree. All right. And on the bottom, there is some little rubber, what are they called? Rubber feet, so that it doesn't scratch up your table or whatever if you're setting it on something else. Now, the felt is non-slip, so that, when you do raise your table up, your pieces won't fall off. And the dimensions on this is a 32.6 inch this way and 25.2 inch this way. So there are 2 drawers on each side. Now, I've got this sitting on my bed, so, and this, I will say, this is slightly heavy, but if I had to guess, I would say it probably weighed maybe 20 pounds, maybe. So if you can lift a 20-pound bag of of dog food, then you can pick this up. But these drawers come out, to where you can set these on your lap. They each have a magnet on it, so they just kind of snap back in there. Then you have 2 clasps that you undo, kind of like a suitcase. And then you can lift this up. It's got like a notch. And as you can see, there is a metal leg. I know I'm having to hold my camera, but you can adjust this. It just moves, as you can see. And then there are 3 different stoppers. All right, so you can set this up to where this is sitting like this. Let me see if I can get the angle on here. Okay, don't look at my dirty into the bed thing there. All right, so there's that angle. Or you can do it on the next one at that angle. Or the next one on that angle. And honestly, you could just have it flat. Okay, so like I said, these are foldable, portable. And when you're done, or you don't need that part, you just shut that, and you've got the 4 drawers. Let me see. All right. So there's the 4 drawers. And then you've got your cover that you can lay on top so that your puzzle doesn't get dirty when you're not working on it. But what I really liked about this was A, it is portable, and B, you've got these sorting trays. So if you're like me, you're going through your jigsaw puzzle and you're putting same colors, in different piles. I used to take the jigsaw puzzle box itself, and I would use one part of it for part of the colors, and then I'd use the other box for another part of the colors, and then I'd have a pile over here on the floor, and then I'd have or not on the floor, but on the table, and then working the puzzle itself somewhere. I mean, it's not like you could just pick it up and move it when you had to do something else there. So with this, you can. And you could like slide this under your bed when you're not working on it, under your couch. I mean, I really like this. And like I said, I will definitely leave the link under or in my description box so that y'all can check this out. And I just want to say thank you to Jarvis for sending this to me. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. And it's beautiful. And the wood, y'all, I think this is like real wood. I could be completely wrong. And let me show y'all the bottom, if you can see. All right, so it has these little rubber feet on them so that it doesn't slide or scratch up. If you go to the link, it shows this lady, and she has her setting on her coffee table. And so, y'all, I'm sorry about the angles, but I couldn't do this at my desk, so I'm trying not to make y'all sick. But anyway, she had her sitting on her coffee table, and then when she got done with it, she just slid it up under the coffee table. So it won't scratch whatever surface you have it sitting on. So is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, like I said, I will leave the link in my description box so that y'all can check this out. And they also have different types. They have smaller ones. They have bigger ones. They have just different things. You just have to check out their store. So, all right, y'all. Make sure you do all the YouTube-y things. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, because you never know what I'm going to be showing on my channel. Even though it's a craft channel and I was mostly doing diamond paintings, I have actually started, venturing with other crafts. So, all right, y'all, I'm going to wrap this up. And y'all, this would make a great Christmas gift for that person that you know that is big into jigsaw puzzles. So, all right, y'all. Till my next video, I hope to see y'all later. Bye, y'all.